Ooh, look at that sexy thing right there. Ooh, look at that. Oh, yo, Gregory Melvin, look at that. I fixed it. ARRMA Mafia. So we got a little midnight club racing tonight. A little midnight club action. Still, I didn't get the mount for this yet, for the RadioLink. So we're gonna do the ghetto stick again and get some different camera angles with the cellular device. So we're gonna throw the GoPro on my noggin. We're gonna untangle it first. There we go. That looks good, y'all. The gyro is turned on. Let's turn that down a little bit. Little body rub. Let's see, we'll turn that gyro up a little bit. Before I put the camera on here, we're gonna drive it soon for a second. All right. Let's see here. This is probably not gonna get great footage because, well, it's hard to record with your transmitter. We'll turn the gyro up a little bit. See how that does for the drifting. Yeah, there's the gyro one for this one, just keeping it straight. let's take a peek at these tires. I guess she has motion sensor, alright. Okay, so the silvers, way better wear or tread life than the whites. I'm still gonna get those. I'm gonna get some GRPs and I'm gonna get some Pro lines. We're gonna compare. All right, gyro off. I think we thermaled. Let's see, yep, green light in there. So this one right now is geared the 17 tooth pinion, and these are actually, what was it, the 53 102s. So these are the felony rear tires actually that I've got on here. Eventually I'll go back to like the regular size tires. Pip pop. Peru. All right, I don't know why I did that. You see, hot 170 we got. That motor real hot. It's up to 200. Yeah. So it got warm. I'm gonna end up replacing these electronics anyway, but I don't know exactly when. Damn, and these fans, the fans that come with stock electronics, I don't care what it is, even the fan that comes with the Max 6 ESC from Hobby Wing, it's not good. You're gonna want to upgrade your fans. It's a little more oomph. And then since I've got lights running off of that, this also adds to the heat, because they're warm. Yeah, you can definitely feel the heat that it's producing. It's not a whole lot in comparison, but it's enough. So this thing's nice and warm. Do I call it a day? I'm gonna take a peek at the footage on the phone. If it's decent, then I'm gonna call it a night and I'm gonna go home. Pause.